Hi, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hussain and I am a student of Dr. Ali Hamad at University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore, Pakistan. Today, I'll teach you how to flood a UDP server using UDP packets. Usually, servers are flooded by two methods, namely DDoS and DOS. DDoS means distributed denial of services and DOS means denial of services. In DDoS, the person who wants to flood the server first takes hold of one or more PCs by hacking them and then sends a large amount of data from those PCs so as to flood the server. When the server is flooded, it can't entertain the requests from other clients and hence the clients are denied of the services provided by the server. In DOS, the person himself sends a large amount of data to the server so as to flood the server. This is a small introduction about the ways in which the server can be flooded. Well, I am going to use DOS in this video. There are many ways in which DOS can be implemented, but I am going to implement the two different methods. Now give the IP addresses on each PC with its respective subnet mask in order to make a complete network of 3 PCs. The server is assigned the IP address of 192.168.1.1 as you can see here. .168.1.2 and likewise other client is assigned the IP address. There is no hard and fast rule of assigning the IP address of 192.168.1.1 to the server. Any other PC can also be assigned this IP address. But the important thing is that the subnet mask of all the 4 PCs must be the same. Well, I have made one server and 2 clients, and now I will proceed to one of the methods by which I will flood the server.
Hi, I'm Salman, the group member. I'm going to show how server behave using software. First of all, we open anti-GM control panel by clicking its icon from desktop. Then we go to start monitor tab and select compatibility according operating system. Then we go to UDP server and select the server. Then accordingly on client side we select clients in the same way. As you can see the client side code, here we put the IP address of the server 192.168.1.1 and click OK. Now as you can see here we can import text files and can enter user defined strings here, but in our case we import a text file from desktop. Now we connect to our server and now we assign some time interval value here in milliseconds and click start. Then we send the packets to the server side. As you can see in statistics the packets are going to server side. Now we going to the server side. Now we are in server side. As you can see the CPU utilization is fluctuating between 0 and 100. Now we are going to see how UDP server behaves when UDP clients sends packets. Here is the server side. Here we assign the IP address 192.168.1.1 listening on port 1025. Now we start monitoring. As you can see, after receiving packets from client side, the UDP statistics are rapidly increasing and the utilization increases from 0 to now going to 100, as you can see. Now you can see it is stick to 100 and it will take time if we open any application, like as you can see Office. Now it is clear that the UDP server is flooded and no application open. Now you can see here the straight line which shows that the processing is to its peak at 100 and the no application is now opening. Now if we close the client side code, as you can see the CPU utilization decreases. Okay, and the application opens rapidly. Thank you very much. This is how the UDP server is flooded in using APIs.